In this video, I will show you exactly how to adjust the head-up display scale in Forza Horizon 6 so you can customize your racing experience perfectly. Having a clean screen is essential when you are speeding through beautiful landscapes, and these settings allow you to find that ideal balance between visibility and information. To get started, you need to pause the game and navigate over to the Settings menu located in the Campaign tab. Once you are inside the settings, scroll down until you find the Accessibility section. This is where the game houses most of its visual interface options. Look for the setting labeled HUD scale, which is usually set to 100% by default. You can use the slider to decrease the size if you want a more cinematic feel, or increase it if you need the map and speedometer to be much easier to read during intense races. After you have adjusted the slider to your liking, be sure to hit the Save button before exiting the menu. I recommend jumping back into the open world for a quick drive to see how the new scale feels in action. If the icons still feel a bit too large or small, just head back into the menu and tweak it further. These small changes make a huge difference in your overall immersion. If this helped you out, please remember to like and subscribe for more tips.